Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is here to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you get the most out of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't fast charge. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issue from the forum. Hello, fast charging no longer works on my Pixel Phone 9. It only turns on after I restart the phone, and after charging for 20 to 30 minutes, the fast charging feature disappears. To fix this, I need to restart the system again. Furthermore, the fast charging feature only works with the Ugreen GaN charger, other chargers don't work. If I use a different charger, I need to restart the phone again. What should I do? Can anyone tell me how to fix fast charging not working on my Android phone? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know if your Android phone isn't charging fast, don't panic. To save you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Poor connection. The solution is to check the connection between your phone and the charger. Sometimes, we're careless and simply plug our phones into the charger and then leave them there. This can easily cause the charger to not be fully inserted, resulting in your Android phone not charging fast. You need to check whether the connection between the charger and the phone is stable. If not, unplug the charger and then reinsert it correctly and securely. Wait patiently to see if fast charging is working. You can also check the charging port for dust or other foreign matter. If there is any, this may also be a reason why your Android phone isn't charging fast. Clean it immediately and try charging again. Cause 2. Charger problem. The solution is to try a different charger. If a charger has been used for too long, it may have reached the end of its lifespan and no longer support fast charging. To resolve the issue of fast charging not working on your Android phone, you can try using a different fast charger. After using a different fast charger, wait and see if the charging speed is fast again. Alternatively, the charger you're using may not be compatible with your phone. An incompatible charger can also cause fast charging to not work on your Android phone. Cause 3. Using your phone while charging. The solution is to avoid using your phone while charging. If you're using your Android phone while charging, some of the charger's power input is needed to power the screen and run apps. In this case, it's understandable that fast charging has stopped working on your Android phone. Furthermore, using your Android phone while charging will increase its temperature, and Android devices have thermal protection features, which will slow down the charging speed again. Please leave your phone alone until it's fully charged, otherwise it will affect the battery life and charging speed. Also, close all background apps before charging and wait until the battery is fully charged. Cause 4. The battery has reached the end of its life. The solution is to replace the battery. When a battery reaches the end of its life, the charging speed may also slow down, which can cause you to think your Android device is not fast charging. Mobile phone batteries typically last 2 to 5 years, but this varies depending on your usage habits. Consider how long you've had your phone and whether the battery might be nearing the end of its lifespan. If so, you can only visit a repair shop to replace the battery with a genuine one to extend the lifespan and fix your slow Android phone charging issue. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, please leave them in the comments. If it helps you fix your slow Android phone charging issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.